Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Liz St. Louis and I'll be your instructor this term for medical terminology. As you know, our class starts today. Our first live classroom session will be held this morning at 9 Central, 10 Eastern. So I look forward to meeting all of you at that point. As you know, this is called a University Connect class, so that means your attendance is mandatory in class. So if you have any questions about that, please let me know. We'll talk about it more during our first live session. When you log into the class, I want you to do two things. First, I want you to kind of scroll around and make yourself familiar with the course homepage and where you are going to find everything. Second, visit the course calendar. And I want you to sort of take a look at some of the due dates. Our live classroom sessions are in there each week, as you can see here, as well as the due dates for every assignment that we have in this course. Let's go here and scroll down a bit. So there you go. You can see the due dates all shown in orange on my screen here. I said two things. I'm actually going to ask you to do three things. Last thing, click on this discussion board link and visit that board at the top, course chat. Take a minute to read my introduction post and then tell me a little bit about yourself. It really helps me get to know you guys because we're in an online class. If you can just provide me some background information. Where do you live? What motivates you to pursue this further education, and anything else you want to share with our group. So welcome. I look forward to meeting you.